Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today for a small business haul from Etsy. And she is on YouTube as well, and I will link her channel, and I'll try and link the Etsy shop down below. I do struggle with linking Etsy stores. I don't know what the deal is, but I can't ever get it right. I'm trying to get into junk journaling and things like that. And she sells all kinds of neat stuff in her shop, and it's Turquoise Dreaming by Cherie or something, or with Cherie. Like I said, I will link her channel down below, and I got this order in the other day, so I'm pretty excited to see what we're gonna get. Make sure everything is out. So this is my order slip. Alright, so the first thing we got here is some papers I ordered. Just dyed papers and everything. So here's that. I'm going to kind of go fast forward through this a little bit. So here's another one. I got a card, and look at this ribbon, which I'll be reusing again. Not ribbon, excuse me. Yarn that I'll be reusing again. So I'm going to put this in my, oops, sorry about that. Put this in my stash. And she gave me a card that says, thank you. And it says, thank you so much for your order. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy everything. Take care. Blessings, Cherie. And there's her business card. You want to take a screenshot? Thank you. So here's that. And that's her YouTube channel. Okay. And then here's some golden books that I ordered. And you can always reuse this tissue paper. Tutorials on YouTube, and I want to learn to do that. And people actually make them out of junk journals. They sell them, and they're so beautiful and so awesome. I didn't even know what you can make junk journals out of, and it was just very cool to watch and see. And that's what I'm going to do with these two books. So that's that. junk journaling, and I plan on ordering more for her in the future. It got here pretty quick, and she was on top of it, and it got sent out, so I like that. So, all right, everyone, stay tuned for my second unboxing of small business. Bye. All right, everyone, I'm back with my D-Stash haul I got from the channel Socrafty 100. Her name's Yolanda, and she was doing a junk journal D-Stash, and it's like a mystery D-Stash box. So I cannot wait to open it up and show you guys. A crafty friend sent me an email saying that this channel was destashing junk journal stuff, because some of you may know that I want to make some junk journals. That is my goal, to learn how to do that. So I thought, what a great deal, and I don't even know what's in the box, so I'm pretty excited to open it up and see what we got. Let's see here. And she has my name written down there. So she's got my name written down there. And let's see what kind of stuff we got. So there's all kinds of stuff to start your junk journal in here. I hope you guys watch and enjoy. I may fast forward through this so you don't have to sit a long time. So let's begin.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
What a deal. I can't believe the stuff she put in here. I am so excited. I'm going to be learning some junk journaling and collaging, so this stuff will work. Some of this will work on tassels, and I am just overwhelmed with the box that I got. I mean, she sent a lot. I was not expecting that. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you stuck around to watch my last unboxing of my D-Stash. I'm going to link the Etsy store I purchased from Turquoise Dreaming Cherie, and she also has a YouTube channel. I also will link socrafty 100 channel down below as well. And I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe, be blessed, and have a great day. Bye.